So in your high-speed blender, you're gonna add some pitted dates, some almond milk, some delicious greens, kale, spinach, whatever you have on hand, oatmeal. You're gonna blend it on high to blend those greens first. Then you're gonna add the 2 frozen bananas, vanilla extract, maple extract, ground cinnamon, and last but not least, the antioxidant booster, the matcha green tea powder. It's the star of the show. Blend it all on high until it's smooth and your smoothie is ready to go. This is the tropical green smoothie recipe. In your blender, you're going to add the water, the greens, the frozen banana, the frozen grapes, the mango, the flaxseed, the pineapple, and for a little extra sweetness if you want, an apple. Blend it all together until it's super smooth and you're done. Okay, my friends, this is the mint chocolate chip smoothie. In your high-speed blender, you're going to add the almond milk, the dates, and you're going to add your greens. I'm using romaine and spinach in this recipe, but you can use any greens that you like. Blend those up to get those nice and creamy, smooth. Then you're going to add in your bananas, put those right in. Then you add your extracts, the vanilla and the peppermint. Blend it, pour it in your glass, add the cacao nibs right on top, and pro tip, eat this one with a spoon.